Hello, friends. So, finally, the qualifiers are over. And for a contrast, in one group, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And it was supposed to be already the tougher group because the Indian group had Afghanistan, which is a depleted side. And the first match from that group is between Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. That's on 24th. That's tomorrow. Now, Bangladesh lost first match when they could only score 140. Whereas Sri Lanka has been winning handsomely. And they won all the three matches. Yesterday it was cakewalk against Netherlands. But the fact is, Sri Lankan team is struggling. And Bangladesh has revived. Now, the pitches over here are totally different. A length of 7 to 8 meters, and the slower bowlers are having a good impact. I can assure you that what I talked about, India should be fielding three spinners. That will be very, very good. Either the zippy pace, the medium pacers and all that can be hit. So in this way, India is in a good pool. Two matches. There's Scotland and Namibia. And I think two easy matches in Indian pool. But now coming to this match. This match is a cliffhanger. The fact is, Sri Lankan batting is not on top of the order. They had to promote Hasaranga, the wily spinner, and to prove his skills. But against a quality bowling, will he survive? I do not think so. On one side, you have Tashkin and Lahura Kumara. On one side, there is Shamira and Mustafizur. So both teams have got good paces and very good spinners. So the fact is, the match will be a live wire. And once that live wire is there, the team chasing will be having little problem here. Because if they try to force things, the pitch deadens up little bit and little problems are there. But it is countered by little dew. So let's get down to the basics. Both these teams will be difficult to reach 150 score, according to me. And my probability is not very good between Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. People will say Sri Lanka because they have come all the three. I think the captaincy of Mahmudullah has been a little dicey. The way their openers they have not trusted Liton Das. He's good. They are missing Tamim. But the fact is, they've got many. Afifi is a very good hitter. And Mushafiqur sending low down is no purpose. With this pitch, if they send Mushafiqur on top, Mahmudullah can do the big hitting. So, I Liton Das continue the thing. So, I feel it is in the favor of 3-2 to Bangladesh. I definitely feel that Sri Lankan players who are stroke player, Kushala Perera and all that, they will fall prey to this pitches of UAE, where Indian IPL team also struggle. They like to go for big score and move out. So here in this, whether batting first or chasing for second, it is not going to make a difference. The team which sets up a score of 150 plus with their competitive bowling of spin is going to win. And for me, by the slight margin is Bangladesh, who are finding a way to come up, and I'm sure in this slow pitches which are like Bangladesh, they will probably do better than Sri Lanka. So hoping for the first match tomorrow, and you see we have our 85% of prediction rate. Sometimes the sporadic brilliant performance changes our outcome, but hoping for a good match. So enjoy your thing, and India-Pakistan is there tomorrow. Watch both the things. Bye-bye.